Hey guys, welcome to Frank's RC Bash. So I wanted to drop in on you guys with just a little video clip here. I've done little modifications on the camera mount system. It still has the breakaway as I outlined in the last video. The cable is a tad bit long for the tether, and really the question for me is to tether or not to tether. Personally, I think not to tether, especially if you're working in short areas. You don't have to walk very far because the impact of this tumbling and hitting stuff, if it can eject properly, then it's going to spare its a little life there. So, you know, the flips, jumps, stunts, stuff like that, I'll have this disconnected so that way it can break away properly, completely from the car. But for street runs, running up and down the street and maybe tipping it over and the camera falling off, I don't want to have to walk 200 feet to go pick this sucker up. Pop the camera off here. Came in, as I mentioned before, drilled a hole in either side of the underframe and the upper frame and ran it through the actual camera mount on both sides. So this is actually pulling down. As you saw in the first video, this got ripped off just because of the adhesive underneath. So I used professional strength super glue, a couple of zip ties. That sucker is locked in there now. So that's not going anywhere. So when the camera breaks away, it's going to land on the back of the car. It may hit over on the side and kind of drag on the wheels a little bit for the moment, however long it takes you to get back. But this is going to save you a lot of walking in the long run. So here is my Frank McNash genius idea of the day. So this is the locking mechanism on the Rustler 4x4 VXL, and you see that's where the cable is attached to. Unlock that right there and lift up, and there you have it. Alright, so I'll try to get at a better angle so you guys can see exactly what's going on. You want this clip to be up and over. You want it to be kind of, as you can see right there, it's actually kind of on that peg. Try to keep that centered and pop it down into place, and you watch the end of that mechanism or the end of the cable right there. As you twist, it pulls that down in place, so that's how you know you got it. So from there, which this camera's probably going to break away, I'll try to keep it straight, but yeah, I'll try to lift straight up so you get a better effect of it. So see, the camera broke away, and I mean that sucker is on there. So good for street runs, you know, mild tumbles. You know, you're not doing 60 miles an hour and you tumble sideways. It's you're probably gonna beat the crap out of your camera. So it's the price we pay, though, right? All right, so I guess that's gonna be it for today. Just my little tip and update on what's going on with the old action cam on the Rustler. Still don't have a proper name for this yet. Any suggestions out there? It's green. You know, the last one I dubbed Mad Max. I don't know what to call this one. I don't have a clue. I'll call it Subscribe. Yeah, there you go. Please subscribe. Alright guys, decided to add a little bonus bash footage in there. The camera mount's working out really well, so I'll keep you guys updated on the progress here. So, alright, that's going to be it. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider enabling notifications to be notified on upcoming bash videos and gadget reviews. Got a lot of stuff coming up. And be sure to visit the homepage of my YouTube channel. click on the video for the prize giveaway, watch it, leave a comment, and win an RC car. Just not this one. So, alright guys, hope this video helped you guys out. You enjoyed it. Give me ideas in the... Where's my finger? Give me ideas in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching Frank's Tech Help. Peace.